Hey y'all, got me another DIY here. This one, everything's from Dollar Tree except the little nose that was from Hobby Lobby. This is my sunflower gnome. Y'all, I made a mess of it, but I eventually got it to looking cute. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, showing you what I'm going to use. I got 2 of these pretty sunflower placemats, a couple of things of flowers, that nose from in the bag from Hobby Lobby. I got some yarn in 2 different gray colors. I thought that'd be cool. One of the wreath forms, and then I cut up a little pool noodle and cut it in half to make the hat. And I glued the hat up, got it all fixed. And then I'm sure some of you can see my problem already, but I didn't see it yet. So I just went on working, glued my hat to the wreath, put the nose on. Moving right along, I thought. Then I had to do the beard. I pulled out so much, doubled it, then doubled it again. My beard might not be long as some, but I think it turns out cute. And I just did the different colors ever so often to make it look better instead of all the same. There I was finishing it up, I thought, but I ended up having to add more. But it was coming along at this point. Little did I know. Okay, there's what I had so far. Then I trimmed it up to make it look neater. Gave my little gnome a beard cut, sorry. Okay. Now, trying to figure out how to put the placemats on. And here's where I start noticing some problems. After I get this all glued down, I turn him around once I'm done, and I see that his beard don't look right anymore. So I finished the top part of this hat, which, yes, that's not right either. But I was still going. I thought maybe I could fix it somehow, so I glued it all up. There's a lot of hot glue, y'all. And let me tell you, it sticks good. You'll see here in a minute. So I finished all that. And I look at it and I see, well, I got to add more to the beard. So I go gluing some on the back to make the beard wider. That works. I think that looks pretty good right there. But the hat is still wrong. It's way too tall. So here I go, taking all of that apart that I just did. That's how I know that hot glue sticks good. It was a little bit tough. So I decided I had to make the hat lower on the head. That will make it look better. So back to gluing the first placemat on again. I'm going to keep trying these things till I get one exactly right. I mean, I think both the ones I've done turn out cute, but they're not perfect. And I wanna get them better. I'll get it one day. This one I made for my niece, but I don't know if she likes it yet or not. Maybe she will. She loves sunflowers and she loves gnomes, but she might not like the way I did this sunflower gnome. And I'm gluing the hat down lower on it. Now I gotta add other placemat. Glue it up once I figure out where I want it. Yep. Get that a-going. It's looking better. Just takes a little while to re-glue it. Fiddle with it, see how I want to do it. Sorry about my camera angle. It's just it's not wide enough to get all of this in. Okay. Now I had to add another one to get it to cover the pool noodles completely to make the hat. That's what I'm doing, figuring out how I want it and how to make it look the best and all that. I know y'all can't see it all. I'm sorry about that. Maybe when I get out in the SOB, I can set up better camera stuff. Yeah, I'm just fiddling with the placemat anyway, figuring out how I want to do it to make it look the most like a hat. I'm almost done. Then I'll show it to you. Getting there. I'm sure some of y'all know how to make these really well. I should watch some videos, but I don't want to copy nobody, so I'm trying to figure it out on my own. But we'll see. If I can't figure it out, I'll have to watch some videos and see what y'all are doing. Okay, got that part fixed. Now I'm going to decorate him. Give him some of the sunflowers. He's looking a lot better. I like him anyway. I think he's a hippie gnome. We're almost there. He does turn out cute, even though it took me a while to get there. I think it'll look cute on the door. Checking it out. Adding a few more sunflowers up there on the hat. I like them little flowers from Dollar Tree. They're not perfect, but they're cute. And I decided I want to add one more flower down there by the face. And I think it turns out cute. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I'm sorry it was such a mess. If you like it, if you like my videos, please subscribe. I need to build up my channel. Here I am adding the little hangy thing on the back. I did add some craft paper over it too to reinforce it and make it stronger. And then I'm going to show y'all what it looks like hanging up. Again, thank you so much for watching.